The day when I chose to go to the supermarket is the day that it decides to rain. This is the route for the supermarket that I like to go to. There are about 3 supermarkets that are near to where I live, but I find this one to be the cheapest. This is the route to the supermarket, and I think this is like 10 minutes away from my apartment, and the other is maybe like 12 minutes away, but they are in like a much busier area. Before I go to the supermarket section, I am going to go to a clothing store that sells like a little of everything. So I really need like a rain shoe because it has been raining for days now, and I really need a pair. So this store, I find it to be very affordable, so I'm hoping that they have like some type of rain shoes, and I also want like a over the shoulder across. Most of the time when I go to the cashier, they are always asking me some things, and of course I don't know Japanese, so I usually just say yes or no depending on what I think they are asking me. So in this case, I think the lady was asking me if I wanted them to be in the same bag or if I wanted a separate bag. So I told her same, like, you know, and I see that she put it in the same bag, so that's why I think that's what she asked me. I said hi, which is yes, before the lady even finished her sentence, because like I said, I don't know what the heck she's asking me, but I just say yes, you know. Let me quickly show you guys what I got. So I got this sheet set for 1,500 yen. I got this pillowcase for 480 yen. Bag, this across the shoulder bag for 2,900 yen. I ended up getting 2 pairs of shoes because I wanted like a simple shoes that I can wear to like maybe the supermarket, anywhere simple that I'm going. So I bought this for how much? For 900 yen. So very simple shoes, 900 yen. And this is my rain shoes. So this is for 1,280 yen. So that's it guys. Guys, do not judge me. I hate cutting pineapples, so I buy the ones that are already cut. Super convenient. I totally forgot to buy corn, and I'm not going back to the supermarket until the next 2 weeks. For those of you who don't know, this is for yakisoba. This is the only Japanese food that I can cook. I'm gonna insert a picture. Another reason why I like coming to this supermarket is because I actually know where to find the different items, because remember, everything is in Japanese, you know. So if I can't clearly see what it is, then I won't be able to know what I'm buying unless I use like Google Translate, and sometimes it doesn't even translate the correct thing. So it's good to know what you're buying. In the supermarkets and the convenience stores here, they have a lot of ready-made food. So all you do is just pick it up, microwave the food, and that's it. You're good to go. But I don't really eat those kind of food because when I just came here and I tried the convenience store food, it gave me like diarrhea like every time I tried it. So I just decided not to eat any form of pre-cooked meal because like I just can't deal. I was struggling with all the bags, so I had to stop and organize myself. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.